G'day, Graham here. Got a question for you. What country Googles animal sex? The #1 country in the world is Pakistan. Isn't that amazing? According to Google Trends, who track trends and things that people search on Google, see who the most common ones are, apparently Pakistan is the country that has the #1 for animal sex. Isn't it amazing? Okay, what do they search for? It's pretty disgusting. They search for dog sex, camel sex, donkey sex, rape, all these horrible things. Now, but there was no sheep sex or bear sex. However, it's all rather disgusting, and Pakistan's supposed to be an Islamic country, right? They're supposed to be holier than thou. Maybe they're trying to search for things so they can say the internet is bad, ban it. Probably. But wow, come on guys, donkey sex, camel sex. Of course, if they're searching camel sex, that reminds me of a very funny joke. Why do they call camels ships of the desert? Why? Of course, because they're full of Arab semen. Graham, you're bad. It's okay, it's only a joke. So Pakistan has the title of the #1 for searching for animal sex. There's not even sheep sex there. What's wrong with them? So the moral of this story, my friends, is don't search the internet for animal sex. It's not very good. Anyway, take care. Stay safe. Bye for now. Bear sex. Ooh, kinky bear sex.
You love me